Hey guys, it's me Chris from A Kid's Perspective, and today I'll be working on my mom's 2010 Ford Escape Hybrid and showing you how to replace her vacuum hose. Now mind you, this version only works for this version of the engine, and you won't see it in any of the other versions of the cars or the engines or whatever. So let's get started. Well, first I'm going to show you where it's located. After opening your hood, you're going to see this cover, which you're going to take off by simply pulling up. Underneath, you're going to see your vacuum hose right here, which connects from the brake booster to the engine and goes all the way down here. The routing of the hose is very specific, so I'm going to use this shot as a reference for how you should route your hoses. Of course, it will go under this tube here, under this wire, into the engine, and down below, like that. This is exactly how it should look after replacing it. The tools you're going to need are your hands and a simple flathead screwdriver. Now to get started, we're going to pull this tube out here that runs down to the bottom. You're going to hold on the valve here and give it a little tug, just like that. Now you're going to want to check for any damage, any dry rot to this tube. Now if there isn't any damage, then you're fine. You don't need to replace it. But if there is, you're going to have to go through the unfortunate, lengthy, long, difficult process of replacing that tube, which I don't want to go through today. After pulling this tube out, you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and start to pull out this tube here, which you're going to take your flathead screwdriver, press the ring down, and pull out.
Cool.
Just like that. Now next, you're going to want to disconnect this clamp here by grabbing it from underneath and pulling up, just like that. And finally, we'll be disconnecting this tube here by giving it a little tug. Just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out. Now we're going to take it out. There you go. And now we're ready to replace. Now since we don't need to replace the tube that goes all the way down to the bottom, we're going to simply pull it out from a new one. Just a simple pull and twist. Now we're going to follow that same procedure backwards, and of course remembering our reference to see how the lining works. Going under this wire, up here, connecting here, and going underneath here. And it's just as simple as that. Putting it back together here, pushing it back into place here. Don't forget to clamp it onto your other tube, like so, and pushing this back in place. There you go. Now double check that everything is in place, and if it's all good, it's time to put the cover back on. Remember that these 4 pieces here align with these 4 pieces here under your cover. So you're just going to simply align it and push it back down into place like that. Now if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, if I could do it, you could do it too. I'll see you next time.
A Kid's Perspective.
You're going to have to place your screwdriver on the red ring underneath and give it a little tug. Ooh, that wasn't that difficult earlier.
Pressing the ring down?
Yep. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, make sure you press the ring down, of course. Now since we don't need the hose that's going all the way down to the bottom, we're just going to take it out. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, let's do that again. And push it back into place. Just like that. Let's pack this up.
Okay. That wasn't too bad. It was really easy.
Wait, what do we do with this new hose? It's such a waste.
Well, I mean, Maybe we could save it for a future project or something, or if we need for something else.
Alright.
Yeah.